Control boy, I'm in airplane hangers. Me and my gang popping champagne like players. For all of them days with no lights and no cable. No one can save you, my city fatal. Making them out of it, how can they hate you? CLEDLANE's the greatest. I like this bitch, I make it look like it's Vegas. We all, motherfucker, we all. The first one to blow shit bone. Think back when I had a backpack full of fat rats. Didn't no one wanna hear my song. Motherfucker, y'all wrong. Motherfucker, y'all wrong. Dated and I never left home. Where I'm from, man, enemies buzz up, shit sounds like King Cooper. Go through these shits, come up on like Bermuda. I'm just a boy in the hood like a Cuba. Who soon as I move that I got me a Ruger. Girl, I'm out, you blow out as a tuba. Make your bitch hit you blow down like a scuba. All of your shit that is style like a scooter. All of your shit in the ditch like a super. Make all of your bad like my name is Anubis. Still got your medulla, hit it with bazookas. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. What? I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. If you ain't living your life then you dead. And sleeping is cover, so I shut my bed. Paranoia got me using these meds. Now I'm smoking his Chris on the Friday night. What's up? Retract that statement, I'm stoning his friend. Evacuate when my homies get mad. You better pray to your God for a blessing before they make your roll like Armageddon. Took my trouble since I was 11. Ripped up my jeans and I bought me a leather. My friends on me as a king like Coretta. My dad saw his son as a deuce of the rebel. And my music sound like the devil. Pull that shit off, don't get out of my temple. Right after that, he go back to his kettle. One vodka and take it all up to his special. I have no issue, I am official. Let them come at me up back to jujitsu. Only been two things with 3 letters down. G.O.D. got it, my fucking initials. Doctors called up to the news of reporting on what they discovered. And what they discovered, said I'm the first of a species that they call a real motherfucker. Chaos. I'm sorry if you get a lot of bitch, but I'm a mother with a two and just like any other with a private of a chicken to be hugging and talking about to the when you living in the trouble is. And they keep following strong on me, I'm a tour, so they don't give a fuck what you thought of me. I'm like, if you look up, you looking like a bottom. Fuck that, we can beat that. I'm gonna lead up to me with a reach that. Nah, fuck that, we can keep that. Nigga, when I'm a girl, I'm a reach that. I wanna tell them everything in a couple of seconds. I wanna see the good and I'm about to live in the one I'm in the face of the beautiful girl. I'm a little scale. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. I am the Alpha, I am the Omega. Say the shit I say. I am the Alpha. Oh, I am the Alpha, Omega. The fuck is you saying? Fuck is you saying? I am the Alpha, Omega. The